Hello children, in this video we are going to study EVS chapter number 12, Changing Times. Children, here in this chapter, Changing Times, we are going to see how houses were built over a period of time. You all know that in ancient days, people lived in caves, trees. Then slowly they started to build their own houses with the product which was available. Then, children, as the time passed, they built houses with bricks, cement. Here, in this lesson, we are going to see how time was changing in the life of man named Chetan Das. Along with this, also we will see how India got freedom from the British rule. Children, after many struggle, India got independence on 15th August 1947. You all know that British rule was between 1858 to 1947. After many struggles and sacrifices of freedom fighters, India got independence. Children, during this period, there was partition, that is, India and Pakistan was separated. So, children, remember that India partitioned during the time of independence. Now, children, let's come to the lesson. Children, his name is Chetan Das. Many years ago, he used to teach children, but now he spent his time by writing about the days when he was young. He would like to share some of these with us. Now, children, a big move. Chetan Das remember the time when he was 9 years old. It must have been over 60 years ago. They used to live in Dera Ghazi Khan. Today, this place is in Pakistan. At that time, there were lots of problems all around us. He was very young to understand what was happening. One day, Baba told them that they had to leave their village and move to another place. Chetan Das was sad to leave his house and his village because he had all his friends there. And then children, Baba, Amma, his younger brothers and sisters, they took a train and came near Delhi. From Dera Ghazi Khan, they people shifted to place near Delhi. Here, children like Chetan Das, many people from their area also moved. He heard of saying that our country, that is India, was being divided into two, India and Pakistan. Many people from India went to Pakistan, just like Chetan Das moved from Pakistan to India. For some time, they all stayed in a camp. They used to live in big tents that were put up in the huge ground. Now, children, what are these tents? Tents are temporary houses. So, children, see how Chetan Das moved from Pakistan and came here in to a place near Delhi. And children, they have to stay in a camp for some time and where they lived in big tents. Now, children, a new home. One day, Baba told them that they had been given some land in Sohna village. Sohna village is in Haryana. Now, children, Chetan Das said that they could build their house there. Now children, Chetan Das was very happy because he was going to have a new house. Baba and Amma worked hard to make a house. Children also helped them. Baba dug the soil and then these children quickly filled the pans and passed them to Amma. Gudiya and Amma then mixed husk in it. Then Baba put up the walls. Children brought cow dung from nearby houses. Amma mixed it with mud and she coated the floor with this mixture, just like she used to do in our old house. Amma says that this would keep the insects away. So now, children, Chetan Das was very happy because he was going to have a new house. Now, children, of what this new house is built? Is it a pakka house? No, it is a kacha house because it is made of mud. Then see children, what was the roof made up of? Then it was the turn for the roof to be made. Baba made a frame by joining strips of wood and fixed it on the four walls. We put branches of neem and kikar trees on the frame so that termites would not harm the wood. Amma put old gunny bags on this and covered them with mud. Most of the houses around their house were made like them. A few were different, but Chetan Das liked his house the best. It was just like their old house. So children, first when Chetan Das came from Pakistan, he lived in a tent. Then he lived in a mud house and he liked this house very much. Now children, here are some questions that we have to answer. Talk to any one of your grandparents or any other elderly person. Find out when she or he was 8, 9 years old, where did she or he live? Name that place. Now children, of course, in ancient times there were no such big cities. So he lived in a village. From what material was her or his house made? His house was made up of mud, straw, wood, rope, and bamboo sticks. Children, did they have a toilet in their house? If no, where was it? No, they did not have toilet in their house. In which part of the house was food cooked? Children, there was a separate kitchen to cook food. A lot of mud was used when Chetan Das house was made. Why? Children, because mud protects the house from heat and cold. Okay children, we will stop here today. In the next video, or we will see changing houses. Till then, bye children. Have a nice time.